Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we are going to be doing a beginner dance fusion. We're going to do some salsa, some bachata, and some cumbia. Alrighty guys, it is time to do some salsa. Get ready. We're gonna start with that left foot going forward. 5, 6, 7, go. Very good. We're gonna go to the side. Very good. We're gonna go back to that basic step. Very good. To the side. Last one. We're going to step and tap. Very good, back to the basic. And to the side. Very good, step and tap. And back to that basic. To the side. Step and tap. Back to that basic. And watch this, we're gonna go cross, 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 cross. Last one. Basic step, just basic. To the side. Step and tap. And we go forward, back, cross, cross. Back to the basic. Side. Step and tap. And back to the basic. Side. Very good. Alrighty guys, it is time for some bachata. Get ready. We're going to start on the spot. Five, six, here we go. So we're just transferring the weight. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Now we're gonna walk. Side. gonna go back on the spot. And side. Forward and back, here we go. Back on the spot. Very good. And side. Get ready. Walk it forward. Back on the spot. And side. Very good. Forward and back, go. Watch, we're gonna do a turn. Back to the side. Turn. Side. Turn. Side. Last one. Back on the spot, go. Side. Bring it forward. And turn. Very good. Alrighty, guys. Last but not least, we have Kumbia. Get ready. We're gonna start with a basic 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Let's just stay here for a little bit. Get used to this rhythm. Very good. Ready? We're gonna overturn. And back to the regular basic. Get ready, overturn. Back to the regular basic. Ready? Overturn. Last one. Watch, we're gonna go double. Very good, back to the basics. And overturn. Last one, get ready for the double. Very good. If you're looking for a more structured workout routine, we've got you covered. Check out our 30-minute ballroom-based dance workouts designed to help you stay more consistent with your exercise routine while improving your dance skills. These sessions are great for building strength, mobility, and technique, all while having fun. Click the link in the description below to join us for the full dance experience. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.